Okay, so at this stage we've got that first coat on. Now it's a pretty dense coat actually, but I've put a little bit of plastic behind just to stop any light passing through it. It's hardly anything, but I'd normally give it 2 coats. But for this I just wanted to show you guys kind of what it looks like. You can see the light passing through it slightly there. So again, you could back that up with a bit more pink or the coral colour that we've mixed, or you could go even another colour, slightly darker, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same because it won't show through. But this is what the layer looks like. There we go. So it's come out beautiful. It's a great gild. I'm really happy with that. Really happy with the colour background. You can see that's got a nice muted sort of old vintage pastel colour. So yeah, it's kind of got that heritage sort of feel to it, and it looks like a piece that would have been done sort of around in the Victorian times in those colour schemes, because they were quite vibrant, quite loud with their colours. But you can see that's just, yeah, come out with that really beautifully, and I think that looks fantastic. So for that first letter, this is what you'll be finished up with, and hope that you'll be able to do exactly the same as that, and yeah, an even better job than I can. So I want to see what everyone does. It'd be lovely to see them. But anyway, that's our first layer. We're going to go on to the next layer, which is a letter N, and a few great techniques with that as well. So all the way through, starting at the basics, going all the way through to different ways of doing stuff. But anyway, there we go. So that's our first letter.